Hello guys, another quick video. We're here with this Range Rover 2012 plate. Issue with this one is the DAB is not showing on or not letting us search or anything like that. Let's go on to DAB, and it just keeps showing no signal, etc, etc, no reception. And when you do the dab search on there, it just quickly goes off, so it doesn't even give us anything. In the diag that we've done, it's coming up with dab module, control module fault. So there's going to be an issue with the actual control unit in the back. So I'm just going to quickly show you where that module is. We're going to get it replaced, and we'll see what it shows. So DAB module is located in the boot on the left hand side, just down here. It's held on by 3 8mm bolts, 2 at the top here, 1 at the bottom, and then 3 wires that power the most and the actual aerials. So we've already replaced it, we've popped it in there, and yeah, we're just going to go and test it. So back in the car, we've not switched off the light, which is turning on the radio now. We'll click on, see if this is working. There you go. And now also, if we do a dab search, auto tune it. This is what wasn't working before. You can see now, look at that, it's tuning everything in. So we'll do that. Nice, cheap, easy fix. Part numbers were matched up. Customer opted for a used part, which again, there's no issue with that. There's always a chance it could happen again, but that was the customer's choice. But yeah, all in all, easy job. Dab module changed, back up and running. Like and subscribe.